everyone, it's Millie here. I hope you're all doing well. If you are new to my channel, please click the red subscribe button down below and become a part of the family before you go. Today's video is going to be a little bit as a vlog and a little bit cook with me, and the reason I decided to do that is because I wanted to give you some ideas of how to spice up your day and what meals can you cook. Something easy and simple, of course, because as you guys know, I'm not the greatest cook ever. But I've been trying to get in a bit of a routine, which means that I've been trying to eat a bit more consistently, because right now I've been eating whatever and whenever, and I want to change that. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing I will do today is a smoothie. Like I said earlier, I've been trying to make more smoothies rather than coffee in the morning, because it does wake me up a little bit more. It's an easy way to eat fruits and it gives me energy, it keeps me full. So for today's one, we'll make black forest fruits, strawberries, banana, spinach, and water, and a little bit of honey as well to make it sweet, because I like my sweets. So let me show you how I make it.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we are now done with the smoothie and with the talk with mom, the daily talk. So we are gonna head out to Lidl and grab some stuff for dinner tonight. I will take you with us so you can see. How pretty is that? Am I right or am I right? It's so beautiful. I just went for a quick walk, which was very cold. I thought it's gonna be hot today because, well, not hot, but I thought it's gonna be warm because it was so sunny. It was actually freezing cold. I mean, that's normal, it's January after all, but yeah, I got home, so I'm just gonna quickly wash some dishes and I would make an avocado toast. How hard it is to find the right angle. I mean, if you're looking at something, you see it from so many different ways, but if you want to point your phone at something, that's a whole other story. It literally took me probably about 5 to 10 minutes to find the best angle I can. So you can't see me now, but you can see what I'm doing, so I guess that's more important, right? I'm just gonna start with the egg. I'll just move this oil away. I don't like the fact that I left my egg in there. Oh my god, this whole avocado seems to be gone. I'm so sad right now. But I'm just gonna use this part here because it's just one slice of bread, so I really don't wanna go and get another avocado. Use what you can, peeps. Use what you can. That looks alright to me. Oh, it's not okay. Ugh. Am I crazy? Oh, there you go. I got a new avocado. That's day 2. Forget what happened the first time. See, that's the thing with avocados. Normally, we buy them harder, so then when they stay in the fridge, they get soft, and that's when they're perfect. But if you buy them soft and then you leave them in the fridge for long, man, your avocado is gone just like mine. So what I do is I just cut it in half and then I make little squares, and then I use a spoon to take it out of the peel, like that. On top. Beautiful, beautiful. And then all you have to do is season it a little bit. So like I said, I love parsley, one of my favorites. And of course, like I said, I love mayo, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of that as well. Well, maybe a little bit more. Okay, that's a little bit too much, but little masterpiece. That looks so funny. It's literally just a piece of bread with avocado and egg, but that's for beginners, okay? That's for people like me that don't really know how to cook but still wants to eat yummy food rather than just take out, because come on, we're all broke. But yes, that's how it looks like. I'm sure it's gonna be very yummy. Okay, so update on the toasty slash sandwich slash, I don't know. It was actually very nice, even though it was quite small. But again, I didn't want anything massive. I now made tea, just lemon and ginger tea, and I'm going to watch a video on YouTube and stay with my cat. My sister told me about this app that you can sell the clothes you don't wear, so I'm gonna probably attempt that, but it will be... I can't get over my cat. Maybe I'm too much. Look, that's what she does when she doesn't want to be bothered. I just want to pet you, and then she bites. But she actually bites quite hard, you know. I'm still thinking she might be a dog undercover. Are you a dog? Are you a dog? Or you are... Normally when I'm playing with her, I have to have something like a sleeve, because these claws are no joke. Found quite a few things that I'm not wearing. Some of them are still with the tags, like this jumper for example. I bought it and I never wore it. I just tried it on at home and I didn't like how it looks on me, as well as those pants from Zara. I hope someone else will find a better need of them. Hey everyone, it's Millie here. So it's time for us to make some kebabs, and my sister is telling me that we normally boil the chicken and then you kind of rip it to pieces and then you fry it. But it's 9 o'clock and we're lazy, so we're just gonna season it, bake it, and then make it into little pieces and build our kebab. For the chicken, you're gonna need garlic, and we have naan, and we have salt, pepper as per usual, and parsley, mixed herbs, and what was that? Olive oil. And some lemon. Do we need the lemon?
Yeah.
Yeah, we need the lemon as well apparently. And obviously you need some chicken. From this angle now so you can see me just putting the chicken and seasoning it. Hiya. So am I supposed to make all of this chicken? Yeah. So much chicken. Ugh. I don't even know if I'm gonna include this part because I hate raw meat. I don't think people would enjoy looking at one. Definitely cutting this out. Oh. Should I cut it like smaller? Maybe like half? I don't think this will be good yet. It's still a bit frozen, you know.
Да, ну пойдем.
Ты видишь, их маленький листик?
Suzanka's favorite part, guys.
Should we show how Susanka? No. I don't think I'll include this part in my video. It's a bit too detailed. Keep it PG. Oh my god. Did you run away? Run away with the chicken so you don't get her? Apparently,
In a way, because you're not using it. So,
my sister gave some chicken to the cat. I don't know why, don't ask me. And apparently she ran away because she thought my sister is going to get it. This is disgusting. I don't even want to be a part of that. I would never do that myself, but oh well. She has two parents. Yes, I'm cutting most of the chicken out because it's disgusting. I really hate seeing raw meat. I'm doing this just for you, so I hope you appreciate what do I start with. Doesn't matter. Just put a bit of that, a bit of that. Remember that we're not professionals, so we just do what we actually like. And like I always say, you can add anything you want. If it makes sense. If it doesn't make a lot of sense, maybe you shouldn't put it in. Or maybe ask your mom, just in case. That's what we do. Put some black pepper. Put some... I'm so sad that we don't have garlic salt. You should definitely buy garlic salt if you can find it somewhere because I can't seem to find it anywhere. I used to have it, but it finished.
look at the other ones of these.
I totally don't care. So put a bit of parsley, a little bit of mixed herbs. Maybe we should put some paprika. What do you think? I mean some chili flakes.
You can put the paprika.
So maybe a little bit more, right? A little bit more salt, I guess. A little bit of hot paprika. Like I said, we don't really eat spicy stuff, but I hope you can really feel that. And then put some olive oil, garlic. Oh, I put a bit too much. How much lemon? Half? Should I just squeeze it or should I leave it like little slices inside?
Just squeeze it, but one squeeze it with the thing.
What? It's okay. I'm a machine myself. All you have to do is dash it in the oven. I don't know what degrees, I just put it on 250. So there is our lovely chicken. You dash it in there and then you leave it on for 35 minutes. So now for the second part, where are you guys? Oh, sorry about that. We're gonna make the chips, but like I said, we don't normally fry it, we bake it. That might sound weird to you, but you should definitely try it if you haven't. It actually comes up quite yummy. Actually put a bit more. Okay, I'll put a bit. I don't burn myself, but I have to put the chicken this way so I can then put the chips and he let do his magic. Now we're using yogurt, the garlic sauce. We're using natural yogurt and we're using mayo and garlic and parsley. No, just garlic, mayo, and yogurt.
Yeah, salt.
And salt. That's it. Okay, so have you guys seen this trend that you cut the tortilla in the bread in four?
You cut in four
Yeah.
sections, that's it.
Yeah, and then you just fold it. But I don't remember how to do it anymore.
You only cut
And
one
I don't
part.
have a knife. Where is it?
You cut up to like halfway, 4 ways, and then you fold it in each way. So like,
Like a fold.
so you cut it
So
like
then this goes
this,
up and then that and
this,
then that.
this, and it's like a pizza. Then this folds, and then this folds, and then that folds. They call it like a big sandwich.
Nice. This is what we're gonna try for you. Because we only have 2 things. Oh, do you know what we didn't get, Susan? Cheese.
I can get cheese.
We don't have any.
We ain't got cheese.
That was so sad.
It's exactly the sound effect I'm looking for. See, now I don't even have to add it. Like that, yeah?
I believe so.
A little bit more.
Don't cut it all the way to the middle because then you can cut the whole thing there. Hey, you need to use that like pizza rolly thing.
People make it look so smart.
Oh.
People, what?
You meant the pizza roll thing. What do you call it?
What that's it?
So how would you fold it after? Like that? Like that?
It's like a puzzle. Innit? So this goes like that,
But don't fold it too quick because you're gonna...
that goes like that, and that goes like that, and then that goes like that.
So what do I have? Garlic sauce?
I said surprise beauty.
She did it already.
Relax with the magic sauce here.
No, but that's because Tiago folded. Okay?
Alright, cool. That's enough sauce.
Just a little bit more.
Only on one side. You should put on both sides.
And then we're gonna put some fries, which are already cold because it took us a while.
They was in the pot and then she said put in a small bowl.
I loved you guys' explanation earlier how we bake our fries. I know that sounds weird. It is very weird.
It was actually me talking to
It's called
myself.
fries. So you fry them.
Exactly.
You should have said chips.
Whatever, guys, okay? I just say whatever's on my mind. But it's actually, what does it say on the package? I've been there, but it says fries.
Fries. This is
It
French
says
fries.
French fries.
See? So I said fries.
Yeah.
But you meant it fried fries.
Yeah, but I'm explaining with biscuit because it's better.
It's healthier.
It's better. Second one. Thank you for interrupting me. But it doesn't look bad. I did try though. I tried. Okay.
It looks
So
like a
now-
filled taco.
Kind of. But Susan said she'll do hers because you know she doesn't trust me.
No, because I'm not wrapping it.
So okay. So that's how you make a kebab, and I'm not gonna show myself anymore because it's too late and don't want to see that. But I'm gonna see you in the next video, and I hope that was useful for you. Bye.